Good evening. This is Eric Kolodny with the Epiphany Trading Markets Wrap-Up for Friday, July 16th. Not a good day today for Wall Street. Dow was down 261 points, closing at 10,097. The Nasdaq was down 70, closing at 2179. Overall, the currency started out bad this morning. I sort of got the vibe that things weren't going well from the get-go. I indicated such in the blog. Then the Michigan report came out, indicating consumer confidence was weaker than expected. That added to the pain. Furthermore, companies like GE and Bank of America, stalwarts, big companies, they missed their revenue guidance. And particularly when you had a market that ran up 8 or 9% quickly, some of the froth just had to come right out. And sure enough, it did, with the likes of Bank of America down 9%. For Monday, probably going to be a much quieter day. Probably going to be a bit of a rebound offhand, depending anything major going on with currencies. So, obviously just be ready for anything. But again, it should be calmer than it was today. For Monday morning's things to look at, MOS and QUAD both closed near their highs. PPG and AKS were featured on Mad Money tonight. And EBI announced plan to liquidate the Evergreen International Balanced Income Fund. Shareholders are going to receive a distribution of the net asset value on August 16th. On the negative side, GS had an island reversal and closing near a low despite the SEC settlement. RIM closed near a low and worries that Apple may well have fixed its problems. MA and V closed near a low and worries about how the financial reform package is going to impact their credit card payment rates. GILD closed near a low after brokerage Jefferies warned the company's HIV drug pipeline. And then a series of companies closed near their lows. Google closed near a low after posting poor earnings. FCX, ADS, BIDU, DNDN, AMZN, the drillers, BP, RIG, DO, then APA, SLB, DVN, IBM, WLP, and CERN all closed on or near their lows. Earnings calendar for Monday. Before the open, DAL, EDU, HAL, HAS, and MMR. After the bell, ATHR, CCK, IBM's the biggie, LNCR, NE, PKG, STLD, TXN, another biggie, TUP, and Zion are all out. With that, I wish all of you a good night and good luck trading on Monday.